Happy Valentine's Day, everybody! Today, we're going to make this Valentine's Day wreath, and even have the string to hang it up. This can be used to keep on your own, or you can give it to a friend for Valentine's Day. From the library, you'll get this paper plate with a hole, a ribbon, and a bag full of pre-cut hearts. From home, you're going to need some tape, and a glue stick, and your glue stick is probably going to roll away just like mine did. There it is. So to start, you're going to untie your ribbon. Set that aside with your tape because you won't need that just yet. Inside your bag will be about 30 hearts that are different colors and different sizes. You're going to glue these around the edge just like this. You can go ahead and place them on now to see what it looks like, or you can just start with the glue. There's two sides of this plate. One side is curved outward like this, and one is curved inward like this. I found it works best to do it this way. So, place your heart down, figure out where you want it to be, and put some glue on it. Start with your bigger hearts and place them around, and then you can layer smaller ones on top. I found that it actually needed quite a bit of glue for it to stay. A lot of these first hearts that I put on didn't stay very well, and I had to go back and do them again. Keep placing all of your hearts all around. Try to mix match your colors so that the same color hearts aren't all next to each other. Put your cap back on your glue stick. I still have some extra glue, so I'm going to wipe that off and stick one more heart on for good luck. Cap on the glue stick. Once your wreath gets nice and full of hearts, try to figure out where you want the top of your wreath to be. Does it look better this way or this way? I think mine looks better this way. Flip it over. And there you're going to put your ribbon on. You can put it close together, you can make it crisscrossed, or it can be separated. I'm going to keep mine crisscrossed just to make it a little bit simple. Grab a piece of tape, nice and long. Tape it down. And there it is. A beautiful Valentine's Day wreath. Happy Valentine's Day!